How to buy virtual coins for casino games in 1xBet. First of all, open the 1xBet app and log into your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, tap on the menu icon to find the casino section where you want to play your favorite games. Next, navigate to the virtual coins or chips purchase option, usually found in the casino lobby or the wallet section. Here you will see different packages of virtual coins available for purchase. After selecting the package that suits your needs, you will be prompted to choose a payment method. Choose your preferred payment option from the list, such as bank cards, e-wallets, or other available methods. Make sure your payment details are correct before proceeding. Then, enter the amount if required and confirm the transaction. The payment will be processed securely and your virtual coins will be added to your casino balance almost instantly. Finally, return to the casino games and you will now be able to use your purchased virtual coins to play and enjoy all the games available on 1xBet. And that's it. Now you know how to buy virtual coins for casino games in 1xBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.